Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holder? So what's going on? Congratulations, my all Dogecoin holder. And this time, all crypto market is starting moving upwards. So definitely, when a crypto market is comfortable, so all coin, my friend, is priority from one by one. So therefore, as you can see here, Dogecoin is also on the trending. As you can see here, this time 5.35%. They will get a profit. So it's mean, my friends. So that is totally moving upwards, my friend, and everybody know this, my friends, to win coins my friends will starting moving upwards, so that all credits goes to my friend holder, because when a holder are starting holding, when a holder are starting investing, so definitely the price will increasing. But if a holder are starting selling, so the coin will dumps down, they cannot get a profit. So my brother, and previous, as you can see here, all candle is going to be green now. So sometime you can see here, absolutely after a green candle they will get a red candle. So that's mean, my friend, that's mean to, you can see here the pdp, absolutely, you can see here just and only here, just a minute. As you can see here, my friend, this point is clearly told, my friends, to upcoming time they will take a pump. So absolutely, if we check out, my friends, to upcoming time, let's see, my friends, to they will take a jump, or you can see here, absolutely, my friend, after a fails, every coin will form. So that's real, my friend. As you can see here, this is my technical analysis. You can see here, sometime, my friend, as you can see here, they were take a very huge jump, and sometime they were fails down. So every coin will moving in zigzag direction, my friend. Absolutely, sometime they, after a jump they will fail, after a jump they will dump, and after a dump they will pump. So kindly holder, if you want, my friends, to get a profit in very short time, now just in only invest in those. And if you already invest, so now hold. I hope at the end of month they will give you a profit. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.